Hi all of you, a very good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel Take in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में जे एडवांस PYQ सॉल्यूशन सीरीज में वेक्टर अलजेब्रा का वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम एंड द क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड इन बेसिकली जेई एडवांस 2024 का ये प्रॉब्लम है. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन हियर? पी वेक्टर हमें गिवन है क्या 2i प्लस जे प्लस 3k एंड क्यू वेक्टर इज i माइनस जे प्लस के. For some real numbers alpha, beta, gamma, we have 15i cap plus 10j cap plus 6k cap equal to alpha 2p vector plus q vector plus beta p vector minus 2q vector plus gamma p vector cross q vector. Then gamma की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करना है. सो जस्ट वे सिंपली फर्स्ट फाइंड क्या हमें क्या फाइंड करना है 2p वेक्टर प्लस q वेक्टर फाइंड करना है. सो 2p वेक्टर, सो p वेक्टर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे वी गेट हियर द 4i प्लस 2j प्लस 6k and plus q vector is i minus j plus k. So we get here what? We get here the 5i cap plus j cap plus 7k cap, right? That is 2p vector plus q vector. Okay, next we have to find what? हमें next क्या find करना है? p vector minus q 2q vector. p vector minus 2q vector. So p vector we have here the 2i plus j plus 3k and minus 2q, so this will be minus 2i, right, plus 2j cap and minus 2k cap. So we get here what? The 2i and 2i, so this is basically 0i and j plus 3j 2j, j plus 2j, that is what? 3j, and 3k minus 2k, that is what? K. So p vector minus 2q vector. Next we have to find the p vector cross q vector. So to find the cross of the two vectors we will use the determinant method. So I, j and k. So the p vector scalar component are 2, 1 and 3, and for q vector scalar component are 1, minus 1 and 1. So expand this. So basically I के साथ ये क्या हो गया 1 plus 3, right, minus j के साथ ये हो गया 2 minus 3 and plus k के साथ क्या हो गया हमारा minus 2 minus 1. So we get here the 4i cap minus plus हो जाएगा ये j cap and this one is minus 3k cap. So we get this one, the p cross q vector. Okay, now we will simply put all these values here. 15 हमें क्या given है यहाँ पे 15i हमें जो given है यहाँ पे relation, that is 15i plus what 15i ये हमें given है क्या, that is 15i. Okay, so this is 15i. Okay, 15i and plus 10j and plus 6k and this is equal to what? Basically alpha times what? 2p vector plus q vector, 2p vector plus q vector, and then we have plus beta, right? Beta के साथ क्या है? p vector minus 2q vector, right, 2q vector, and plus gamma, and this is what? p vector cross q vector. Okay, so we will simply put the value of 2p vector plus q vector, and 2p vector plus q vector is what is that? Plus 5i plus j plus 7k. So simply we putting this value here, and बीटा के साथ जो है हमारा p vector minus 2q vector, और वो रिजल्ट क्या है हमारा 0i plus 3j plus k, and gamma के साथ जो है p vector cross q vector, and that is what 4i plus j minus 3k. Okay, now we simply just separate I, j, k coefficient, compare both sides the I, j, k coefficient. So this side 5 alpha, right, 5 alpha, और ये हमारा क्या हो गया 0 beta, right, so 0 beta and basically plus 4 gamma, and this is equal to what? I coefficient, so 15 equal to 15. So for we get the first equation. Compare the second one. So j का coefficient यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा alpha, right, alpha, and this one is what? 3 beta. Okay, 3 beta and plus gamma, and this is what? This is equal to what? 10. Okay, this is the second equation, and the third equation basically the coefficient of k, that is 7 alpha. So I write here the 7 alpha plus beta and minus 3 gamma, and this is equal to what? Equal to 6. So we have the three equation and we are asked to find the value of gamma. So what I do here is हम क्या करते हैं इन दोनों में से सेकेंड और थर्ड में से पहले मैं बीटा को एलिमिनेट कर देता हूँ. सो टू एलिमिनेट बीटा वी सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई द थर्ड बाई 3 एंड देन सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो मैं क्या करता हूँ यहाँ पे सेकेंड माइनस थर्ड इंटू 3. सो सेकेंड इक्वेशन हमारा क्या है? अल्फा प्लस 3 beta plus gamma, okay, and this is equal to 10, and the third वो को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so this is what 21 alpha plus 3 beta minus 9 gamma, okay, equal to what, this is 18. Okay, now we are going to subtract this, so this is minus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, so the 3 beta is get cancelled, this is minus 20 alpha and this is what plus का 10 gamma and this is equal to what, ये हमारा कितना हो गया माइनस का 8. Okay, so this is the fourth one. Now simply we eliminate the alpha from the first equation. हमारा क्या है 5 alpha, right, 5 alpha plus 4 gamma. Okay, 5 alpha plus 4 gamma equal to 15. So this is the first equation. So now we'll simplify this two equation to find the value of gamma. हमें gamma की value ही find करना है, right? This is the first equation. Now to find the gamma value we simply multiply this by 4 and then add. First को मैं 4 से multiply कर रहा हूँ and adding with 4. So ये हो गया हमारा minus 20 alpha plus 10 gamma, right, equal to minus 8 and this is what, ये हमारा हो जाएगा 20 alpha और 5 से multiply कर रहा हूँ, so this becomes what 20 gamma and this is what, ये हो गया हमारा कितना 15 into 5, right, 15 into 5, so that becomes what 15 into 4, basically 4 से multiply करना, हमें इसको 4 से multiply करना है, so that is 20 alpha basically and this is what 16, ये हमारा क्या हो गया 16 gamma and this is what 60. Okay, so we are adding this, right, so ये तो cancel हो गया and this becomes what 26, right, 26 gamma और इसमें simplify करूँ, so this is what 52. So gamma की value हमें यहाँ से मिल जाएगा what 52 divided by what 26, इसको cancel कर देता हूँ, so we get 2, gamma की value 2 आ गया. So answer for this question is gamma की value जो है पूछा गया है that is 2. Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribe my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.